Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to continue my winter and holiday themed videos with a tutorial on how to make snowflake coasters using resin. If you find the video to be too fast, click on the instructional video for directions on how to slow it down. Links to all the products that I'll be using today are in the description. Let's get started. Mix about 8 ounces of resin and then separate it into 2 cups. To 1 cup, I'm adding some gold mica, and to the second cup, I'm adding alumilite pigment with white mica. Just make sure to mix thoroughly to incorporate the mica into the resin. Once you've finished mixing the resin with the mica, then you'll want to go ahead and get 2 large syringes and fill those with the pigmented resin. Now that the syringes are full, go ahead and fill the snowflake molds in whatever pattern you like until the molds are filled completely. Make sure to allow the resin to cure per your manufacturer's instructions. Now that the snowflakes are cured, go ahead and demold the snowflake coasters, and they are now complete and ready to use or to give to another this holiday season. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the bell to be alerted to future videos I post. Now that the coasters are demolded, let's have a look at our finished product.